Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make a character with a transparent background to use in a game software like Construct 2. So I'm just going to create a new document, and here it is. Now you'll notice it has a white background. So one thing we can do already just to make our job easier is when we create that new document, instead of the background contents being white, you can change it to transparent. Okay? If you already did white, don't worry about it. We can get around that after. But you'll see now it has a checkerboard. So anything that has a checkerboard background means that it's going to be see-through or transparent when you import it into another program. Okay? So let me just make a quick character here. I'm just going to make a character out of basic shapes just for fun. Okay, nothing fancy, just a little stick man. Okay, so if I want to import this into another program, what I want to do, well, first thing I can do is I can, where is it here? I'll go under Image, and then Trim. So what this will do is it'll get rid of all the extra space around my character. Okay, so then it trims all the excess. So I have just exactly how much I need. Okay, the next step I can do is save it as a PNG. So File, Save As, and on the format, you just choose PNG. Okay, save it to your computer, open it up in your game software like Construct 2, and you'll be able to see that character with a transparent background. Okay, I'm just going to do that one more time with a white background because some of you may have already started it on a white background. Okay, so here's my white background. I'm going to go ahead and let's do circles this time, just for fun. Okay, here's my character. Maybe I'll just give this character a little bit more personality. Oh, it needs to be white. There we go. Okay, I hope that your characters look better than mine. Okay, so I've drawn my character. I can go Image, Trim. Okay, that's going to trim out what I don't need. And now what we can do, the background is white in this case, but I can click on the little eyeball beside the background layer. That will hide the white background. Okay, so now you can see the checkerboard again. And I'll save that as a PNG. Okay, and that's all there is to it. That's how you get your characters on a transparent background. So hopefully that helps you.